Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You start by entering Bloxburg and immediately switching to build mode so you can edit surfaces. You select the wall, floor, or object you want to change, then open the Decals or Textures panel to access your image inventory. Choose an existing uploaded decal or paste its image ID into the field and click Apply to place it. Once applied, make small placement tweaks with the gizmo so alignment and orientation are roughly correct before moving to fine adjustments. Now you refine the decal, scale it to fit the target area and rotate for correct orientation, keeping aspect ratio if the image must not stretch. You can layer additional decals for detail, adjusting draw order or spacing so elements don't overlap awkwardly. Use transparency and tiling settings to blend the decal into the surface and employ alignment guides or snap to grid to keep edges straight. Make repeated small changes, previewing after each tweak so you don't over-adjust and lose the intent. Finish by saving your build and switching to play mode to confirm the decal displays correctly for you and others. If a decal doesn't show, make sure the uploaded image is approved and the image ID was entered exactly. Private or removed uploads won't appear in-game. Also clear Roblox cache, close and rejoin the server, or reapply the decal after approval. If persistent issues remain, reupload the image with compliant content and test the new ID before finalizing your build.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.